Do you know what scares people most when renting a car? It's rarely the scratch itself. It's the moment you realize there are other people on the road and you're responsible for them. I've seen this many times. People rent a car for a trip. Freedom, beautiful roads, music playing, windows down. Somewhere in the background there's a calm thought. It's insured. Then there's a sound, a small impact. Someone else's car, someone else's face. And suddenly it's clear. This is not about your car anymore. It's about consequences. That's where third-party insurance, TPL, quietly steps in. It's not emotional. It sounds legal and boring. Yet it decides whether a trip stays a story or turns into a nightmare. TPL is protection for everyone except you. For the driver in the next lane, for the pedestrian who stepped out a second too early, for fences, walls, parked cars you didn't even notice. When an accident happens, TPL absorbs the impact. Medical bills, repairs, legal claims, they don't land directly on the renter or the car owner. In most countries, driving without it isn't even allowed. That's why on Get Rent-A-Car, TPL is the foundation of every rental. Not an add-on, not a perk, the base layer. There's one thing worth being very clear about. TPL doesn't fix your rental car. It handles the damage and injury you may cause to others. Scratches, dents, vehicle loss, those belong to CDW, CDW Plus, or full insurance. For car owners, TPL is what keeps one bad accident from becoming financially destructive. Without it, a renter's mistake can turn into personal lawsuits and endless claims. With it, there's structure, distance, an insurer that takes over the conversation. For travelers, especially abroad, TPL works like a quiet shield. New roads, unfamiliar rules, a different driving culture. Knowing that third-party claims won't drain your personal savings changes how you drive and how you breathe. Picture a simple situation. You're backing out of a tight parking spot in a city you've never driven in before. A light bump. Another car's taillight cracks. TPL covers that repair. No arguments, no on-the-spot negotiations, no panic. Or a low-speed collision at an intersection. Minor damage, but the other driver reports neck pain. TPL responds to both property damage and medical costs. The moment stays uncomfortable, yet controlled. And here's the key idea. TPL isn't about fear. It's about shared responsibility, handled by a system instead of your wallet. On Get Rent-A-Car, everything starts from that logic. First, protection for others on the road. Then you choose how deeply to protect the car itself. A good trip should leave memories, not legal cases.